Hi guys, today we're gonna unbox our puppies. What's it called? The puppy, the girl one, and next, the boy. This is what we're gonna open. We open it. I did it.
Carrier po ito na yung STC. Yes po, yes. Ayan, nakita nyo na.
The flavor of this is rose.
Dapat po yung carrier na gagamitin natin. And then, kung na yung ibahan po natin yung price na natin.
Sarap.
So, okay. Ito po yung, siguro na familiar kayo dito. Pamilya na ba kayo dito sa Estes? So, okay. Ito yung website niya.
Yum. Bye guys, that's all for today.